Management Principles and Practice. Question 1. Part A. Explain 5 principles of organizing. Answer. 1. Division of work. 2. Authority and responsibility. 3. Unity of command. 4. Span of control. 5. Coordination. Part B. Analyze 5 benefits of contingency theory. Answer. 1. Flexibility. 2. Know one best way. 3. Considers environment. 4. Better decisions. 5. Practical. Question 2. Part A. Outline 5 characteristics of effective planning. Answer. 1. Goal-oriented. 2. Forward-looking. 3. Done at all levels. 4. Involves decisions. 5. Continuous. Part B. Highlight 5 emerging trends in management. Answer. 1. Technology. 2. Remote work. 3. Sustainability. 4. Diversity. 5. Data-driven decisions. Part C. Analyze 5 factors in designing structures. Answer. 1. Company size. 2. Technology. 3. Environment. 4. Strategy. 5. Employees. Question 3. Part A. Identify 4 characteristics of open systems. Answer. 1. Interact with environment. 2. Take inputs. 3. Produce outputs. 4. Receive feedback. Part B. Highlight 6 benefits of delegation. Answer. 1. Less manager work. 2. Faster decisions. 3. Develops staff. 4. Motivates employees. 5. Increases efficiency. 6. Focus on key tasks. Part C. Discuss 5 factors for business success. Answer. 1. Product quality. 2. Good service. 3. Innovation. 4. Marketing. 5. Financial control. Question 4. Part A. Outline 5 characteristics of a project. Answer. 1. Clear goal. 2. Start and end date. 3. Uses resources. 4. Unique. 5. Has budget. Part B. Highlight 5 elements of marketing mix. Answer. 1. Product. 2. Price. 3. Place. 4. Promotion. 5. People. Part C. Analyze 5 stages of decision making. Answer. 1. Identify problem. 2. Gather info. 3. List options. 4. Evaluate options. 5. Decide and implement. Question 5. Part A. Identify 5 contributions of Hawthorne studies. Answer. 1. Human relations matter. 2. Social factors affect work. 3. Supervision is key. 4. Motivation is important. 5. Led to behavioral approach. Part B. Highlight 5 benefits of marketing research. Answer. 1. Know customer needs. 2. Find new markets. 3. Reduce risks. 4. Improve products. 5. Test strategies. Part C. Examine 5 ways to manage resistance to change. Answer. 1. Communicate well. 2. Involve employees. 3. Train staff. 4. Give rewards. 5. Implement slowly.